Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I have just been interrupted from all my studying by the postie, well the courier, and look what's arrived. Ta-da! It's my Birchbox. So it's a good distraction, and I am just going to get this open quickly for you and share it, and then get back to it. Oh, I've got so much to do, but it's coming on. I am winning, I am pleased to say. So yes, so I'm really quite happy to be back with Birchbox. So I renewed my subscription last month just to get the Bad Gal Bang mascara, and I was really pleasantly surprised with last month's box. So if you want to see that, I'll pop a little link up here and you can have a look. Now look at this. Look at that. I knew it was going to be this box. I've seen a spoiler on Birchbox Instagram. And so yeah, it's in collaboration with Cath, Kitson, because I think it's their, is it 25th birthday or something like that, I want to say. So yeah, absolutely stunning. So for those of you that don't know, Birchbox is a monthly subscription box. It is £10 per box plus postage, which I think is either £2.95 or thereabouts. So yes, it's about £13 a month in total. And yes, this is absolutely beautiful. They do such gorgeous looking boxes, I have to say. So yes, let's have a look inside. Now I do know one thing I've got, because I got to choose it. Every month you get sent a little email, and you normally get to select something. So let's get inside. So there is a card, first of all, which lets us know about the products. So Cath Kitson, to celebrate our 25th year, we'd like to give you 15% off when you spend £35 in store or online using the code Birchbox. So if you want to get anything from Cath Kitson, there's your code. And there's some little ideas on the back. I mean, honestly, I just love the Cath Kitson floral design. It's so pretty. So, Birchbox times Cath Kitson present Brighten Up Your Day. So, and obviously, so it's the April 2018 box, and a month of sunshine and smiles in honour of Cath Kitson's 25th birthday. So inside now, they do show you all the products which could be available in any of the boxes. You tend to get, I think it's usually about 5 items in your box. It could be any one of those. So first things first, we've got a Marcel BB Cream Golden Glow. And that's it there. So it says, let's have a little look. So RRP would be $25.50, so that would be for a full size. So BB Cream Golden Glow Illuminator. Think of this as a drop of sunshine in a bottle. Great for days when you want a glow that only 8 hours of sleep will give you. I'm not getting that, let me tell you that much. This hypoallergenic formula makes it easy to achieve smooth, dewy skin. In fact, it hydrates and calms, evens tone, controls shine, blurs fine lines, and boosts radiance. So that sounds rather fabulous. And it does say here now, there's a little asterisk next to the price. And now it says RRPs and images correspond to full-size items at the Birchbox shop. See the product page for full ingredients list. Carry out a patch test if you are unsure. So let's have a little look. So it's not sealed, which is a little bit of a disappointment. And let's have a look. Ooh. So that's it there. Oh, it is golden. Wow. That'd probably be nice if you got a bit of a tan, and then you can just pop that on. But I wonder if it'd work underneath your foundation. I know it's meant to be a BB cream, but I think you definitely need a bit of colour. That'd be too dark for a lot of people, I think. It's very golden. But I'm happy to have that. Next thing, ooh, that's pretty. A Cath Kitson hand cream. And who wouldn't want that in the handbag? That's so pretty. So RRP would be £2.50. And again, so that's for that'd be for the full size. This is a 30 mils, which isn't a bad size. Oh, it's got, hang on a minute. So I've got little coloured dots. This is all new. So for the last one, for the BB cream, it is a Birchbox exclusive. Okay. And has 4-star review. So for the hand cream, this one is a Birchbox exclusive. Yes, so it's a Birchbox exclusive, so that's not full size. And it says, along with the usual suspects found in your handbag, keys, mobile phone, old receipts, we'd recommend saving a spot for this hand cream. Not only is the exclusive birthday rose packaging as pretty as the picture, but the floral lotion inside will leave your skin feeling silky, soft and smooth. Well, I love a good hand cream, as you know. So, ooh, it smells like baby lotion. Well, no, it doesn't. It's a bit more, it's like grown-up baby lotion, if that makes sense. There's definitely similar scents to the baby lotion. So that's all right. Okie dokie. Next thing is Percy and Reed hair. Hold it right there. Reassuringly firm session hold hairspray, and it is a 50ml can. So again, this is a nice handy size to pop in your bag if you're going away. Let's see what it says about this. So RRP for a full size would be £12.50. It has a 4-star review, 4+ star review on Birchbox website. For hair that can withstand wind, humidity and April showers, reach for this firm but flexible hairspray. Just a few spritzes over your finished style will provide a strong hold without weighing your strands down. It also combats frizz and flyaways, so your beachy waves or top knot will look great all day long. Well, my hair isn't done, but I'm going to spray it just to get an idea of the scent. And it looks like a mousse spray. Look at that. It looks like a mousse bottle. Oh. See how that dries. It smells nice. So yeah, that's fine. Not really bothered about hairsprays. Maybe I should be. Next thing is this, which is Botanique Beauty Fill and Tame Brow Gel in blonde, brunette or black. And I've got it, oh my goodness, well done, in blonde. Now I did think then for a minute, I thought they'd maybe let me down and I'd get it in black. Did you all get the right colour for your hair? Because if so, that's really, really good. So the RRP for this is £8.60, and this is a... Now I have to say these colours are a bit thingy. Is this a full size or... That's a full size product, I think. To be honest, I am really struggling to tell the difference between, as you can see here, one's meant to be a bit more bluey and one's a bit more grey, greeny, but on the actual form, they always look very similar. I'm thinking this is a full size product, and so yeah, £8.60. So short unruly brow hairs, who's the boss with this easy to use formula. Starting at the inner edge of your brow and moving outwards, use short strokes to define and shape with a precision tip brush. The vegan formula is enriched with nourishing aloe leaf extract and glycerin, so there's no risk of crunchy or sticky brow hairs. Okay, let's have a look. Quite like the sound of this, actually. I'm just trying to work out which is full size and which is an exclusive. So yeah, this is a full size. The hand cream wasn't exclusive, but yeah, I could do some totally different colours. Let's have a look at this. Okay. Oh, so there's like a little spoolie wand. I wasn't expecting it to be like a brush. What's that? I still think it's quite dark for blonde. I know I've not done my hair, but I think that's quite dark. Little big blobs. I'll go back and fix that in a minute. But that is dark, I think. Yeah, that's it on the cotton buds. That's pretty dark, I think, for me. That was like a light brown, not a blonde. Anyway, I digress. And then the item I knew I was getting, it was a baked highlighter, and you had two choices. There was a goldy one and a pinky one, and I went for the goldy one. I have to say, I thought it was going to be bigger than this. This is diddy. Oh, let's get into it. So it's a Model Co. baked highlighter. RRP would be £24. That'd obviously be for a full size. Cannot get into it. It is a Birchbox exclusive, and it is tiny. Let's have a look. When you see a picture of it, it just looks so big. So yeah, it is not a very big pan. If you look at that on my hand, that's little. But it looks pretty. Often with baked ones, you need to get the scratch the surface first. Let's have a look. Oh, that's nice. That's really pretty. So yeah, and very glowy. So I like that, even though it's little, I like it. It says, baked goodies are almost always a mood brightener. Homemade cookies and banana bread, we're looking at you. Likewise, this baked treat is an instant complexion illuminator. Just swirl a fluffy brush across the marble powder and sweep over cheekbones for that lit from within glow. Let's have a look. Right then, here we go. Oh, it's quite a lot of fallout. Let's get a bit of glow going on. Okay. Oh yes. Oh yes. I'm liking that. Excuse me for looking such a state, but as you know, I am up to my eyes in studying. So that is your lot. And it did say, to be fair as well, I do like this, it just warns you that it's a fragile product, and if it's broken, you just need to contact them. And I do like that about Birchbox. They've got very good customer service. Oh, sneak peek for next month. Choose your Duce Luscious Lip Stain in Steaming Red or Amber Rose. So I think I will be going for the Amber Rose. Wave goodbye to lipstick touch-ups and hello to long-lasting colour with this makeup treat. The high coverage pigment glides on smoothly for a comfortable all-day matte finish. Keep an eye on your inbox to choose your shade. There's also details on how to win a £250 hamper from Cath Kitson. I'll just leave that there for you to have a look. And then that's the one sneak peek for next month. So there we go. That's the products. I think I'm actually quite pleased with those. That's a nice little box. So yeah, well done Birchbox. If you like these type of unboxings, then please do give me a thumbs up. Remember, just leave me a comment in the box down below if you'd like to add anything and and leave your love. And if you've not subscribed already, please do subscribe and hit the bell notification so you know when my next videos are uploaded. I've got a giveaway running. There'll be a link at the end of this video. It's to win any Morphe palette you want, Jaclyn Hill palette, or I can make you up a surprise beauty box up to the value of £40. So go check that out. Right, I shall see you later. I'm waiting for 2 more boxes to arrive this week, so keep your eye on your news feed, and I shall be back later on. Take care, everyone. Bye.